Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about smart notice board. Okay, it is based on Python and works with our Google Assistant. Okay, so what this application or Python code do is whenever we say anything to Google Assistant that just like print hello world, so what it will do, it will just print that particular thing on the screen. Okay, so as per the name smart notice board, it can be used in different kind of colleges or any kind of office or organizations and schools. Why? Because currently in current system what happens, there is a boy or a peon who circulates the notice. Yes, so if a head of department or principal wants to send some kind of notice, we can provide some digital displays like LEDs and all, and connect it some kind of system through which we can run this particular code on that. Okay, so what will happen, it will just displays the template of our system. Okay, or that particular organization. Okay, on that particular template what will happen, whenever HOD says something, it will directly print it on that particular thing. Okay, so let me show you the demo how it works. So in smart notice board we have two things, the code and the font file. What does it mean? Font file is in which font we have to write that particular text. Okay, so if I run this thing, it will run over the Python. Okay, so let me see. Yes, look, this is the demonstration video of smart notice board. Okay, so if I say, okay Google, print hello everyone.
OHKK.
Look, it will directly print it on the screen. We can just remove this blue screen and add any kind of thing. Okay, just like some kind of images, some kind of template of organizations and all. Okay Google, print today is a holiday.
OHKK.
Okay, so just like this. So this is how it works, and it is a very good approach for solving current problem. What is the current problem? The current problem is we don't have a proper solution for this. We need a person or a peon to rotate or circulate that particular notice. That's why it is a very good approach through which we can automate and digitalize these kind of things like notice board and all. Okay, so thank you everyone. I'm just closing this. Thank you.